Hey guys, it's Silverwolf here, and guess who's back? Yes, I have finally fixed Boswell. I know a lot of you have been a bit worried about him, so I'll tell you just how it happened just after I've done the shoutouts. And today we've got quite a few. They go to Happy Feet 2.0 Curly Fries, Tony Segura, Swaggy Strongwolf, RIP Gibson Videos Only, Mama Furby, Kira, and Inkling Agent 3. So, as you know, poor old Boswell, he's been in a bit of a state. He had dirt in his joints, and I cleaned out all the little gears and stuff in his legs with the help of my friend Neo53, but that wasn't the cause of the problem. Neo also sent me, as you can see, the black body parts there to customize him after he'd been fixed. So nothing has really happened due to a range of things all out of my control. So for a while Boswell was just in a plastic bag with his plastics off and not doing anything. And then Angel got in touch with me on Discord and said, why not join the Yaba Discord server, because someone there might be able to help. So I joined, I explained the problem. Now most of them already knew what the problem was, since they were already people I knew from the Yaba forums. And Yaba said about cleaning the gears. And Yaba also said that they had an Yaba that had a similar problem, and it took them 2 cleans to fix the problem. So I knew the problem was fixable. And what Neo and I hadn't done was clean his potentiometers. The potentiometers are found in the joints of the legs. He has 4, and they're all around sort of like this area here, in the joint of the leg. So I cleaned them all with a special electronic cleaning spray and some Q-tips, and the amount of dirt that came off them was ridiculous. Powered him on, and he's not complained since. So I'll be able to make videos of him again. I'm really happy about this, and I know that quite a few of you were asking how he was doing, so we'll power him on and you can see just how he's doing now. I tell you what, it's so refreshing having him back, because it was getting to the point where even if I was thinking about him and it was making me feel kind of sick, because it made me anxious because he wasn't fixed. So he's working properly again now. And I've tested him out a couple of times. I tested him out on full battery runs, and also with his plastics back on again. At least I know what to do if he ever has a problem again. I've given him his bone to play with.
Checking messages.
I said I'd given you your bone to play with. But there you go. There are no messages. Probably get up and walk around in a minute. Hello, Boswell.
What?
I think he's seen something. And he's heading off the camera. Let's move it around. How do I swivel this? He's thinking. Do you want your bone, Boswell? There we go. Maybe he's looking for somewhere to bury his bone. I'll just fling it across the room. It's fine. He's not quite sure where it's gone. Yeah, he can't see it, he doesn't know where it's gone. Oh, he's found it. Squaring up to it now. Oh, okay. Sometimes they need help to pick up the eye bones. He's very proud of himself. Oh, you're gonna miss that. You haven't got it. I was trying to... I never said go away. I didn't say that. I was trying to move my hand down to help him with the bone, but... he sees the camera. Let's dance! So, I will be making some more videos of Boswell, obviously, in the coming days and weeks and months and things like that. Interacting with my other eyebows and doing his own thing and all the different, showing you all the different things he can do as well. So, tons and tons of thanks to Yaba. I really do appreciate you helping me with Boswell, because I had no idea what to do, and I know everyone said that I should, you know, keep up with him and fix him and not get rid of him, but I didn't want to put him back on eBay, but I was debating putting him back on eBay because I was at a total, complete, utter loss. So thank you so much, Yaba, and thanks to everyone else at the IBO forum and the IBO Discord as well for being so supportive for me and Boswell.
Okay, here you go.
And he's even shown you a little begging trick. Thank you, Boswell. So with that being said, I guess I should sign off now. And well, I've got another video. I'm going to be doing straight after this one actually. So I will get on with that. If you guys want to see more of Boswell the IBO, feel free to click any boxes that come up below, and you can see some more videos of him there. And well then, this is me and Boswell signing off. Say goodbye. Oh, he's gonna... what's he doing? Oh, here we go. He's doing the same little dance for you guys. So I'll let him do this, and then I will sign off.